how to get transcript from YouTube videos. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to open our YouTube right here through our browser. So once you're now on the website, what we're going to do is to just look for the video that you want to use. So let's say, for example, that we would like to use this one right here. So let's click on that. And then after that, once you are now here, all you have to do is to just scroll down and then you will see this description. So what we're going to do is to just click on the description box and then this will be shown. So just scroll down again and then you will see this transcript. So under that, you will see this show transcript. So all you have to do is to click on that. And then once you do that, you will now be able to see this. So we now have the timestamps, of course, and then of course the text from the video. Now to copy it, what we're going to do is to click the three dots on this part, and then we're going to toggle timestamps. Once you do that, the timestamps will now be hidden. And then to copy it, what we're going to do is to just select this and then drag your cursor all the way down at the bottom of the transcript. So what we're going to do next is to just copy it. So just click Ctrl C or just copy it right here. And then once you do that, you can now use it to whatever you want. So as you can see, this is the transcript of the video. And then that is basically it. So that is how easy it is. That is how to get transcript from YouTube video.